my channel. So today I am recreating Manikarnika look of Kangana Ranaut. So it's basically the poster recreation of Manikarnika which she had with a child on her lap. So I love that look and I thought why not recreate this look as Ganesh Chaturthi is coming soon. So you might do a traditional Maharashtrian look, so why not give a tribute to Rani Lakshmi Bai. So here I recreated her look from hair to makeup to jewelry to outfit also. So I hope you like this video and please give a thumbs up if you have liked this video, and yes, also subscribe to my channel. And yes, so if you're interested, please keep on watching.
So here first I was trying to match her hairstyle. So I did a middle partition and created that S shape and secured it with 2 bobby pins on each of the side. I did this on wet hair so that it can stay for some longer time, and also going to keep this for about 30 minutes. Until then I am going to start with my makeup. So starting with the hydration of my skin, I am going to use my same favorite moisturizer by Face Shop and massaging into my skin nicely everywhere. This keeps my skin hydrated and also gives that radiant glow to my skin from within. I will keep this stay for about 10 minutes to let it absorb into my skin. Until then I'll complete my eye makeup. Before starting with my eyebrows, let's look at her eyebrow first. They are way lighter than mine and also thinner with no prominent arc. So I will do the same by combing it in round direction and will use a light brown pencil, lighter than which I normally use. I am going to just fill in the sparse area this time, not going to overdraw as I want my eyebrows to look thin like hers. And with the help of a spoolie, I am going to comb it once again evenly. For that extra enhancement of the shape, I am going to conceal my eyebrows border with LA Pro Concealer. So in this way I had achieved lighter and thinner eyebrows. Before moving towards eye makeup, I am going to conceal my lid with the same concealer to create base for the eyeshadow. And to avoid creases, I am going to set this by my favorite loose powder by Maybelline. So with this, my base for my eyeshadow is ready. Now if you look at her picture, you might think there is no makeup on her eyelids, but that's not the case. She definitely had a definition going on to her creases. So I'm going to define my crease in the same way like hers. So I'm going to use this brown shade to define my crease. I'm using this shade from Makeup Revolution palette. I'm marking my crease with this shade and blending it in outward direction. This way we are creating that extra shadow to our eyes. This is generally done in no makeup look, which defines our eye shape and also look elegant and pretty in real. Now moving towards my base, my moisturizer has been absorbed completely into my skin. So I'm going to prime my face using Pore Freshener Primer by Benefit. This will give smooth base to my skin and also fill in my pores. And quickly hydrating my lips for my lipstick, which will be coming at the very end. For foundation, I chose a medium coverage foundation, that is Fit Me by Maybelline. I am in the shade 118. I chose medium coverage because her base makeup is very minimal, so it's okay to show some imperfections. I'm going to use very little and then quickly blending it into my skin evenly. To highlight my under eyes, I am going to use same concealer by LA Pro Girl. I am going to apply very little amount of it and also applying on the highest point of my face and then blending it with my ring finger in dabbing and dragging motion. So as my base is ready, it's time to give some extra shadow or structure to my face to enhance my features. So for that, I'm going to contour my face. If you look at a picture, she has that strong jawline and strong cheekbones going on. So I'm going to recreate it in similar way. I'm going to use Wet n Wild palette and take this pastel brown color as my contour. I'm going to mark my cheekbones, nose, jawline, near my forehead area and also the center part of my chin. and with the help of an angular brush I'm going to blend everything out. Because her cheeks are so sucked in, I'm going to pull my contour little bit lower than the usual, which will give the illusion of sucked in cheeks. And to set everything I'm going to use Fit Me Loose powder. I'm going to use very little amount of powder to set, and also setting especially on the areas where I had applied concealer to highlight. To add some color to my face, I am using a peach tinted lipstick on my cheeks as my blush. And a very light nude pink lipstick for my lips, similar like hers. Now getting back to my eyes, I am using Maybelline mascara for my eyelashes and applying it on my upper as well as lower lashes. And a white eye pencil on my waterline to make my eyes appear bigger and awaken. With this, we have completed our makeup part. She has that half moon shaped Maharashtrian bindi on her forehead. So even I am using this bindi on my forehead. And now it's time to remove our bobby pins. And let's see whether I had achieved that S shape. I think I had achieved close to her, obviously not prominent like her, but yes. For accessories, I chose big round shape earrings, similar like hers. Oh, here is where I realized that I had totally forgot about highlighter. So I applied it on my highest point of my face, on bridge of my nose and also on the cheekbones. And a typical Maharashtrian nut and chose a similar kind of jewelry like hers. And also added some orange flowers on the back of my bun. So yes guys, with this I have completed my entire Manikarnika look. I know it's not 100% similar like hers, but I gave my 100% to recreate this look. So I hope you have guys enjoyed this video and also liked it throughout. Please don't forget to click that thumbs up button if you have liked it, and if you are watching my videos and not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because guys I am going to recreate more such looks and also will come out with new exciting makeup tutorials. So please do share, like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much and will come up with new brand video. Until then, stay happy, healthy, positive and keep spreading love.